Hello there and welcome back to my channel, and in this video tutorial today we are going to be talking about your Nodepay app. Yes, you can now mine Nodepay. You can use it on your mobile phone without any extension. You don't need the Mises extension, you don't need the Chrome extension, you don't need any form of extension. You just can have the app installed on your phone, on your smartphone, live and direct. So I'm going to guide you through that here. Yes, for some of you, you may not have a laptop yet. For some, you may not want to, the way power holdings are really holding power. Is it power holding? Electricity issues. Yeah, so for most of the time, your laptop will not be on, and that's opportunity missed. So your mobile phone, at least you can charge it here and there. You can put it on your power bank, and so that this can continue working for you in the background. And the airdrop is coming soon. All right, so in this video now, I'm going to show you how you can actually have this app installed on your mobile phone. Let me go away from here so that you can see the app. Here is it. This is Nodepay app. You can see Nodepay app. The arrow is pointing at it, Nodepay app. The arrow and the finger, I'm deliberately pointing them. You can see that. So you just tap on it and it opens. And then it's working. So you just have to watch this video and see how. So if you're yet to get started with Nodepay, you want to check in the description of this video and get the link. Click on that link and you register. It opens on the browser. You register. After your registration, then you follow the guide to go ahead and install this app and start using it right away. See, there's so much money to make this season. Web3 is real and millionaires are emerging from Web3. You are one of them. Go ahead and do the work. So as you tap on the link in the description of this video, it opens here. So you register your account with your mobile phone, enter your email. Enter your password. So you can see how the password checks out. One lower character, one uppercase, special character, and a number, minimum of 8 characters. Repeat. Verify you are human. Successfully registered, you get that. So now that you have registered, you now go to log in. So I'm now going to log into my main account. Let's go ahead and log in. Okay, so once you have completed your registration, the next thing to do is to download the Nodepay app. Now you don't need any extension this time around, right? Before this time, we would have recommended you use the Mises extension, browser extension, to actually install the Nodepay extension on Mises, so you can actually access it with the mobile phone. But now Nodepay has created their own app, so let's go ahead and download the app. So I'll tap on search. So let's search for Nodepay. Okay, I can see Nodepay here. This is just Nodepay. Okay, so this is the Nodepay app here. So install. All right, so installation completed. So let's open. So at this point now, I will now log in. Already I have my username, so I'll log in with my username. So let me log in. Verify you are human. Let me tap to remember me here so that I won't have to be logging at all times. So access my account. All right, so you can see now I've logged into my account now. So it will now start mining and in here. So on my mobile. So when I'm not on the computer, all right, I'm here. Even when the computer is on, I can actually decide to use a different internet to actually access it from here also, so that both of them will be working. But if I'm using the same IP to mine, it will just share the resources. But what that simply means is that at least there will be no idle moment for me. So when you talk about connecting for 24 hours, this is the best way using your mobile phone. All right, so that's how you connect your Nodepay account to your mobile phone. So at this point, you can see the information utilizing your mobile resource data block. So next block completes in 59 minutes plus, right? Is it 59 hours or 59 minutes? Anyway, so you just keep watching this, all right? So by the time it's completed, you now come to claim, all right? So just go over here and familiarize yourself with the interface. It's still the same thing that you have on your laptop. It's just that it's minimized here for mobile phone. You can see the daily treasure claim. I've claimed for today. Remember I said I won't miss a day again by the grace of God. So today is the 24th, so I've just claimed for that. So tomorrow I'll continue with the daily streak earnings. So here you can just go ahead and check the next one connected now. You can see status. All right, so if I want to hide my IP address, I can hide it, but then just go ahead and familiarize yourself with it. And then under missions and rewards, check here and see. You can see it's 8 over 15 that we had. I showed you uh, in the earlier video, all right, I made on how to connect your wallet. Okay, so that is it. Go ahead and register. Check in the description, get a link, register for Nodepay, and then go to Google Play Store and download your Nodepay app and start generating the points that will translate to your quality airdrop from Nodepay any moment from now. Go ahead and give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, comment, share, and let's see in the next. With so much love from here, I want to say, God bless you.